Oh, by God, we pulled this one straight from the teeth of Neptune. I'm Edward. Much thanks for your aid back there.
Adewale.
Ever been to Nassau, Adewale?
Not yet.
By God, she took some knocks, didn't she? I think I'll keep her. All hands aft, lads! We're taking this one home! I've made my choice, Ade. I'm calling her the Jackdaw. A sly bird I loved as a child back in Swansea.
A dark little creature, no?
Did it rub you wrong when I took this brig as mine own?
It was the sort of rub I have learned to endure, sailing among faces of such fairness.
It's true. Most of these men wouldn't accept you as a captain. So what fair role would complement such unfairness?
I'll be your quartermaster. Nothing less.
All right. And as quartermaster, have you any immediate counsel for this Tyro captain?
Rest and repast would do us good before Nassau. Water for drinking. Hunting for food and repairs.
Well reasoned, sir. Hunting, it shall be. We'll find a decent place to drop anchor. Get them aloft!
Did you hear the news?
I spied a few items in the hold earlier. Powder and a few pistols. Think I'll fashion a second holster if I can.
It's a good start.
One you find laughable.
Could we talk a moment about the condition of the ship?
What's the trouble?
I had a walk about the gun deck this morning and couldn't stand for what I saw. A clutter of linstocks heaped like tinder, and one with a slow match still burning.
Christ.
And just nearby, 2 barrels of gunpowder, closer than man and wife, fit to explode at the touch of a spark.
We'll stow ours good and proper.
As for the cannons, they might as well be tossed. Clogs touch holes in need of scraping, corrosion on the bodies, barrel swabs as naked as knives, and breech ropes so rotted, I could use them for knitting yarn. The short of it is, we need good equipment kept in fine condition. But we cannot win every battle with snares and shouts. So worry about your own armament when it suits you. But don't forget about your jackdaw as well.
No, indeed. We'll make it a point to keep this ship and its crew in fine condition. To that end, we're gonna need a proper shipwright. We should keep our eyes open for one.
Abaco Island isn't far off. If we anchor by the shore, we can stop.
Brace for impact! Trim off! Bring in the stunsails!
Well, the mizzen-top!
Trim as near the wind as you dare!
Crowd on all the sail we have! Bearing down a land cut!
Clew up foremast rig!
Anchor! Captain's gone in the break!
Must be a good sermon.
Y así habló el Señor, diciendo que solo en el séptimo...
Catch me some wind.
Get up those shrouds, let's move!
Ready and willing, Captain.
Wind is swirling the other way.
Fire! Loose all and trim sharp to the wind! Give everything she's got! Ease up! Fast as you dare! Set her back! Fire! Ready here!
Burn me, miss!
All in the stunsails!
Foremost gallants in!
Fire!
Wind, sir! We're losing the advantage!
Full sail! Crowd it all!
Looks to be a camp there. We should drop anchor alongside.
Aye. Square up, lads! Stay sharp and expect trouble! Take us off the wind!
Well moored, lads.
Captain's overboard!
Let's see what we can find. Almost too easy. It's decent. Now that was pretty. paw prints. Smaller than a jaguar's. Animals have been in the fish. Something mauled these men. The crates are unspoiled.
There are ocelots about. They have skins that would make for a good holster.
I'll see about those ocelots. Have the crew load the supplies on the jackdaw. Could be something in those pockets. This marks something. The ocelots have built their own nest there. Pretty good. I'll need more of this. It's pretty to watch. Good. That's enough to fashion a holster. The crew have their provisions, and I have my holster. We've provisions enough to sail for Nassau. Should be some old mates there. Not bad. That was class. Nice.
Ahoy, Captain. Find what you need.
My needs and wants are oceans apart, mate. But I did fashion myself a new holster. All I need now is a pistol to lie in it.
Yeah. Taken from the holds, just as you said.
Little more than a blowpipe. But it'll do. So, are we rested? Or should we idle a while longer?
Best way anchor. I think the crew is itching to reach civilization.
You'll find no civilization in Nassau. But it's a fine place to be merry all the same. Give me more sail!
Loose the mains, half sails!
Get the tops and royals down!
Hey! Well, heaving up and away. Farewell and to you Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you ladies of Spain. For we've received orders for to sail for old England, and we may never see you, fair ladies, again. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the South Seas until we strike sounding to the channel of old England. Oh, look at the city, it's 35 leagues.
We're catching the wind now!
Hold our ship to with the wind from southwestward. We hold our ship to deep soundings to take. There's 45 fathoms with a white sandy bottom. So
Up yards! Douse topmast sails!
I'd not haze you!
We best have...
Go on, Captain Queernabs. Tell me I'm under arrest. Tell me!
Them your breads.
Fly away, boyo! Back to your master!
Aye. We was privateers together before the wars ended. I'll see you ashore. There will be some familiar faces at the old Avery. Lads there are a churlish sort, but friends all the same. Will be good to see them. And there might be some able bodies about to add to the crew.
Aye, Captain. We'll need more hands. So, this is home.
It's not home exactly. But Nassau is the only place in the world where a pirate can live free. And the scoundrels here, they make for good company. They'll be stirring up trouble at the Avery for sure.